Grandpa is the photographer. Hello, Atlanta. Hello, world. Hi. We're having our first car ride in Grandpa's. Our first ride is a Bentley. Hello, hello. Oh yeah, come on in.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, a big congratulations to Chioma. I am so happy for her. Like seriously, I am so happy for her. My people, more than join me congratulate Chioma. It's not easy. After the death of his son, today Chioma is now a mother of a twins, a boy and a girl. But more than join me congratulate this amazing girl. Oh, amazing God, oh, you always come true for me. Amazing God, amazing God, amazing God, oh, you always come true for me. Amazing God, I am so happy for her. My people, I just dey happy as she do the pregnancy secret. Nobody knows say she get belle. The best now you do, Chioma. I am so happy for you. I am so happy for your family. Like, I am so proud of you, my darling. I am so happy for you. You are a married woman to Davido. Therefore, you are a liar. Therefore, you will continue to be a liar. You came to steal and destroy, but now God have blessed her with twins. With a twins, so my people, with twins. So I am so happy for Chioma. I am so happy for her. I am so happy for you, my darling. God don't wipe away your tears. I am so happy for you. Make I put the video, make una see am o. Devil don't shame, devil don't forgot, macha. Devil don't shame, my people. I am so happy for you, Chioma. I am so happy for you, Davido. All those side chick, unto. I am so happy for Chioma. God don't bless her again with twins. This one, they go nowhere. He come to stay, and they will stay and stay forever. More than join me, congratulate Chioma, my people. Bye, everybody.
Grandpa is the photographer. Hello, Atlanta. Hello, world. We're having our first car ride in Grandpa's. Our first ride is a Bentley. Hello, hello. Oh yeah, come on in.
Let's just sit in the front.